Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off friend playing game notification on Steam. First thing you should do, if you've not already, is open Steam. This may take a couple of seconds, up to a minute or so. Once it is on, go to the top left and look for Steam and click it. Scroll down to Settings and click Settings. Look for Notifications and click it. Now, we're at the friend notification section. You've got when a friend joins a game, and you've got show toast, you've got play sound, but the slider's on. And what we're going to do is click it to turn it off. So this will stop a notification when a friend joins a game. Also, you'll need to turn off when a friend comes online. So the slider here is, as you can see, turned on. Click it to turn it off. You can go through some of these other settings if you want. It's up to you. And the sound as well, if that annoys you. And that's it. And we're just left just to click that X at the top of the menu to close the window. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video right to the end. It's much appreciated. If you found it useful, could you leave a like and subscribe to the channel? And if you want to, you can also click that notification bell to turn it on, which will notify you when a new video is live on YouTube. It may take an hour or so, but it works. That's all I've got to say. I don't want to waste any more of your time. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. You take care of yourself. See you soon.